Hello friends, welcome to my channel Navya's Divine Corner. In this video, I will be sharing with you how to improve your English with 4 skills important to improve English, and I will be telling you 4 ways to improve your English using each skill. So first of all, please note that learning of any language is called language skill, and there are 4 basic language skills: listening, speaking, reading and writing. So if you want to improve your English skills, then you need to do command on these 4 skills in English. So now first skill is listening skill. Listening skill is related to audio sense. It is the basis of good learning of the language, and it facilitates the verbal interaction among the people and the group. Also, listening is the most important component of interpersonal communication skills. So if you want to be a fluent speaker of English, then the very first step is to improve your listening skill of English, because we all know that we cannot be a good speaker unless we are a good listener. Therefore, you first need to improve your listening skill of English. You can improve your English listening skill by the following 4 ways. First way is we can listen English songs. You can listen to them with their lyrics in front so that you can also understand them simultaneously. Second way is by listening to the conversations between two native speakers. The third way is you can listen to English audiobooks and movies. The fourth way is you can listen to English news. Now our second skill is speaking skill. If you want to be a good speaker, then you need to work on your speaking skills. Speaking skill strengthens the foundation of language learning. Speaking is necessary on every stage of learning English, and understanding depends on correct speaking and attentive listening skill. And any language can be learned primarily through speech. So you can improve your English speaking skills by the following 4 ways. First way is by speaking English. You can stand in front of a mirror and speak on any topic. Also, you can do conversations with your friends and family in English. This will not only help you improve your English, but will also generate a touch of confidence in yourself about speaking English. The second way is by using new vocabulary in your speech. You can learn 3 new words every day and try them to use in your conversations and your speech. By doing this, you can become an effective speaker of English. The third way is by using idioms and phrases in your conversations. You should try to use idioms and phrases in your daily conversations, as by doing so you can improve your English faster and can become an efficacious speaker. And if you want to know the idioms that are commonly used in English, then you can watch my video of idioms that I will link in the I button. Now the fourth way is by focusing on your pronunciation. You should try to focus on your pronunciation and phonetics to improve your English speaking skills. Now our third skill is reading skill. The learners of English must know reading English, because reading plays a mountainous role in learning English. Reading is a good source and a procedure of self-learning. So if you want to improve your English, then you need to improve your English reading skills as well. The ways to improve your reading skills are as follows. The first and the best way is to read and read. The best way to improve your English is to read English. If you are a student, then read your textbooks of English, comprehensions. You can read newspapers, articles, magazines, etc. There are many things to read. If you have interest in sports, then you can read sports newspapers, articles and books related to sports. In whatever category you are interested, you can read English books in that category. The second way is to read autobiographies in English. You can read autobiographies of famous persons in English to improve your English reading skills. The third way is to read novels and stories in English. You can read novels and stories in English. This will not only help you improve your English but will instill a love for reading in yourself. The fourth way is to highlight new words while reading. Make sure to highlight new words every time you read. Whenever you find a new word while reading, highlight the word, search for the meaning of it, and try to use it in your English speaking. This will help you improve your English speaking and English reading. Now, our fourth skill is writing skill. Developing the writing skill is an important factor of learning English. You can improve your writing skills by the following 4 ways. The first way is to choose a topic and write some lines on it. Every day you choose any topic you like and write at least 10 lines on it. You should try to include new vocabulary in your content. The second way is to write a diary entry at the end of the day. You can write a diary entry in English at the end of every day. This will help you enhance your English writing skills. The third way is to write poems, stories, or a paragraph on your hobby. You can start writing poems or stories in English. If you don't know how to write poems, then you can watch my video linked in the I button of how to write poems for beginners. You can also write a paragraph on your hobby or your aim in life. The fourth way is to write some lines on the current issue every day. You can also write some lines or current affairs every day and try to include idioms, phrases, new vocabulary, figures of speech in your writings, as I have said before. These all the 4 skills and all the 4 ways for improving each skill which I have told in this video will really help you improve your English. So friends, that's it for today. I hope that you like my video, and if you like this video, do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends and family. And thanks for watching.